So I was studying today and just reflecting on radical acceptance. And this phrase, acceptance unto repentance, came to mind. And that word repentance, it just feels so slimy. It feels so old school. It feels so dead. But it's a very powerful word when you really understand it. Metanoia. Repentance is the Greek word metanoia. So acceptance unto repentance. How do you cultivate a purpose-driven, not a performance-driven life? A life that says, I will not take action, I will not do anything from a place of obligation, from a place of, I don't want to feel these restless feelings, these emotions that are uncomfortable, therefore let me go and do a bunch of stuff. A life that says, I accept all of that. I will have and be compassionate to every part of me, even the part of me that no longer serves me, aka the flesh, the ego, the false self. And so this phrase, acceptance unto repentance, in my notes I wrote, the metanoia is the awakening of the mind to that which is true about God and therefore about yourself. The awakening of the mind to that which is true about God and therefore yourself. So I'm radically accepting what I'm feeling, what I'm perceiving in this moment, so that and until I come to a place where I now come into a state of truth, a state of reality, a state of being, because I am not that which I feel. I am the one who feels it. I am not that which I think. I am the one who is observing that. Huge difference. And the detachment of that which I feel and that which I'm thinking is where there is space now and capacity to live in a perpetual state of groundedness, presence, connection, joy. When troubles come your way, there's just this unusual ability to overcome and endure and always come out stronger and better on the other side. So acceptance unto repentance helps to cultivate a presence-driven life. Peace.